And finally, after that long light show, now the rain has begun.
Yeah, quite frankly, I got about 5 miles from the rain and the lightning seemed to lessen. There's something about this spot, man, where we don't get...
Well, we're gonna get this one. This is coming right at us.
Yeah, it is.
This is the long line of them. No, this is, you just missed it earlier. It was like this intense light show out here. I mean, no rain. It was just lightning. It's pretty cool. And it lasts for like half an hour. You should have seen some of the bolts I saw earlier up north. It's ridiculous by Forest Lake. Just intense as hell. Now we'll probably get some cloud to ground bolts now. This part of the storm.